my channel, Clitin Meals. It's your favorite girl, Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down. Let's start at the very beginning. You know what's up, right? Okay, into it. So yes, let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you start, you begin with WhatsApp icon. Okay, so you just get to your screen and then you click on the WhatsApp icon and you open it up. Okay, and it's all open. So today I'm going to be giving you 2 tips on how to save yourself the stress of getting unwanted data or unwanted media downloaded to your phone, and more so to your gallery. So if you don't want things automatically downloading to your gallery or automatically downloading to your phone, like especially for people who are in war-torn zones in my country right now, sometimes they just meet you on the way and unexpectedly they get your phone. Even though it's a private property, it's a personal property, they get your phone and they scroll through and check a lot of things. So it's very risky if you're in some groups and some people have sent some information that you never knew about, you had no idea about, because they've been telling people not to be sending those things into groups because they could get people in trouble. But there are just some people who are not going to listen. So if you don't want those informations to be in your phone or you get caught unawares, then these are the following things you should do. So let's get to the one first, where things don't automatically download to your phone. You have to get to choose whether you should download them or not. So you go to your WhatsApp and then the first thing you click is this. You go to your setting, the 3 dots at the top right hand corner. That's always the thing you need to get to. Okay, and then you go to your storage and data, and there you have it. Okay, it says media auto download. This is what it says. When you're using your mobile data, should you download media? Like, should it automatically download media? I choose no, but you have various options. So when I click on it, it's there. You can say, okay, it can delete, it can download only videos, it can download only audios, it can download only documents. Whichever one you want, you just highlight them. When you click on it, it highlights, it gets selected. And if you put okay, it's going to give that option. So when you're on your mobile data and you don't want to use all of your data, that's exactly what you can also do. So if you know you're the kind of person whose phone or mobile phone switches from Wi-Fi to mobile data, maybe when you're out of the house, you have Wi-Fi in the house, and then you're out of the house around town or something and you're using your mobile data, you don't want to finish your mobile data, you can actually use this option. So I actually take it off. I take off all downloads when I'm using my mobile data because I don't want my mobile data to get used up. And when I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I chose only photos and documents because those are light. But it's also still risky, because what if you're in a country where they don't want those pictures in your keeping, or they don't want those documents in your keeping, and then they're automatically downloading. So for people who are in war-torn zones or in my country right now, you can get to take off these ones as well, but I need this one, so I'm using them because I'm in a safe area. And then when you're on roaming, of course roaming is very, very expensive. You don't want things downloading on your phone all the time. So that's the first part that I had to show you. I hope that was helpful, and then we're going to the next one. So if you want to be on the safe side, especially for those who are in war-torn zones, you just take off everything. So it's going to show no media on all. You just do no media on all. And then now let's go to the part of you dealing with groups or individuals. So that first part actually takes care of individuals, because when you're the one who decides to automatically download the things, you decide to click on it, manually download it, then it's easy to know whether you want it to go to your gallery or not. you definitely get a prompt, I believe. But now let's go to a group. Okay, so I think I've already taken that off from all the groups. Maybe let's see the hot gem. Okay, on the hot gem, let's get to this and this one. You open this and then you click on group info. When you scroll up a little bit, you see media visibility. Show newly downloaded media for this chart in your phone's gallery. It's on default, yes, which means that any media that is sent to this group is going to automatically download not only to my phone but into my gallery. So if I don't want it to download, I might want it to download in my phone. If I want it to download in my phone, I'll click yes, which will download to my phone, and it will definitely give me a command prompt. But if I don't want it at all to download in my gallery or in my phone, I click no and okay. Don't forget the okay. Okay, so when you click that, any media that comes to this phone, to this group, you would have to manually click on it to download. Let me show you that on one other group that I'm on. I hope I've not downloaded it already. I think here, so you see, this is a video. In this group, I actually have that as it would have just been there by itself, but it doesn't automatically download right now because I have done this on this group. So if you go to media visibility, that's it. It's no, it doesn't automatically download on its own. Videos don't automatically download like I've given there on Wi-Fi, and then I would have to manually download it here. And when I manually download it, it's still not going to be in my gallery. So it's not going to be in my gallery. So let's just do that right now. I download this and then we'll go to my gallery and check if it's going to be there. It's not going to be in my gallery, in my phone gallery. So let that download and let's see what happens. So that's it. You just get to any group in your phone and you click on the group. The next thing, you go to the three dots and then you click on group infos. After you click on group info, the next thing you go to is media visibility, and then you choose no. When you choose no, you would have to manually download most of those things, and then it's not going to be saved in your gallery. So that's still going on. I guess my internet is quite slow today, and it's coming. This is an amazing group that I'm in. A lot of you wish to be in the group. All hail Friends Global Ambitions. They're great people. They're an amazing set of people. And yes, so I'm giving them a shout out on this video because they've been a true blessing to me. Okay, so this is downloaded. This is here and it's downloaded. You can see that. Okay, it's here and it's downloaded. So let's go to my gallery and check. This is it. It's supposed to be here on the videos. See, it's not there. It was supposed to be the first video here under my videos, but it's not there because I've made it not to download into my gallery. But if you go into that same WhatsApp, if you get into this same group, the video is going to be available there, you see. So I hope that was very, very helpful to you. And if you want any other tutorial to be done, just let me know and I'll be at your service. Get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. The next tutorial that I'm going to be doing is how to create a broadcast list. A lot of people have asked me that. I did one tutorial before and some people said they couldn't see it clearly. So I'm definitely going to do another one right now because I have a better option of recording it. Until next time, I always get to say I love you so, so very much, but God loves you way, way more. That was very useful to you. get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. And whatever tutorial you want us to get doing, write it down in the comment section and we'll be at your service all the time. I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more. Bye bye.